What if I told you that this simple kitchen ingredient can bring dying plants back to life? Stick around, because once you see this, you'll never waste ginger again. This is ginger. Most people use it only for cooking, but gardeners know it hides a powerful secret for plants. Ginger is loaded with natural antifungal and antibacterial properties that protect plants from stem rot and disease. It also stimulates cell regeneration, meaning stronger stems and healthier, greener leaves. Think of it as nature's medicine and energy booster combined. Don't make a paste, don't dilute it. Simply cut a piece of fresh ginger and rub it directly onto the stems. This direct contact delivers protection and strength right where your plant needs it most. And within just 7 days, you'll notice a transformation: healthier stems, fresher leaves, and a plant that looks alive again. So before you reach for chemicals, try this simple ginger trick and let nature do the healing. Like this tip? Share it with your gardening friends and subscribe for more powerful plant secrets.